are ready. First quarter. First position, jump ball, first position for the team, Southside break for two and score for number 2, 17 Prince for the first goal of the team Southside. Number 29 Sosa, pass to Serrano, balik kay Sosa, Sosa pick, Sosa, top down 15. At by the angle foul, as the whole team down. By number 29, Sosa. Number 29, Sosa. First personal foul. First team foul, Cinderella. Number 62, Bapan. Bapan. Pass to Benzo. Benzo. That's 2 points by number 08, Kendall. That's a point to nothing lead for the team Southside. That's a point for Brett. Serrano. Pass to Sosa. Top down 14, Sosa. At by Sumapino kay Sosa. It's a foul by number 08, Kendall. Number 08, Kendall, first personal foul, first team foul, Southside. Top down 14 seconds. Serrano drive, reverse, nice reverse by number 22, Serrano. Nice reverse by number 22, Serrano. And 14, top 10, pass to Benjo, Benjo, turnover. And Sosa, and score, it's a tight game, 4-all, first tender. Maglawa, front, not by foul. That's a captain foul, number 13. Number 13, first personal foul, second team foul, Cinderella. Shot by 14 seconds. Prim coming down, Prim. Inside pass, Marta. With the shot, one down the rebound. And it's steal by Prim. Prim to Papan. Papan. Inside pass, Prim, take Prim. That's because the quick, it's a foul by number 25. Number 25, first personal foul, 13 foul for the team, Cinderella. It's a 2 shot by number 17, Prim. Prim is the first by Prim. Time remaining 4 minutes, 48 seconds, first quarter. Second attempt by number 17, Prim makes the second. That's a 1-point lead for the team Southside, 5-4. Sosa, binibigyan ng break. Sosa. Inside pass. Doubling. It's a 19 minutes by Papan. Number 17, Prim. Pass to Papan. It's the shot. Benzo offensive rebound, wala pa rin. Nice to put it for the putback. By number 25, Leota. That's a 3-point game for the team Southside, 7-4. The shot and the rebound play, Leota. Pass to Benzo, Benzo. Drive and score. Timeout, Cinderella. We should score. 9-4 in favor of Team Southside. Time remaining 4 minutes, first quarter. 9-4. We shall score 9-4. Well, that's the game. We shall score 9-4 in favor of Team Southside. Time remaining 4 minutes, first quarter. number 22, Serrano. Serrano, take over the Madrid, Serrano. And Stable, shot clock, 16 seconds. Serrano, inside pass to Sosa, Sosa, binigyan ng pick. Shot clock extend, Sosa. Ekilia. Offensive rebound by Serrano, malakas. 24 second shot clock violation. 24 second shot clock violation. Number 17 Green, ang inasimagawa, turnover. Time remaining 2 minutes and 20 seconds. Number 29 Sosa. Sosa screen, Sosa. Malakas. Offensive rebound. Shot down to 10. Sosa. Shot down. Shot down spot. Serrano. And score by number 22, Serrano. And Sarili down to 3. 9-6. Green. Shot down 15. Hands up. Paglawan, quick release. Using the glass by number 13, Paglawan. Kalimang kalaman ang team Southside, Serrano. Number 29, Sosa. Shot line 14 for Gray. It's the shot. And the rebound by Gray. Pass to Papsan. Papsan for Gray. And offensive rebound by Paglawan. Shot clock 14, Maglawas. Hands up, after Maglawas for 2. At unti-unti na lumulubog ang kalaman ng Team Southside by 7, 13-6. Substitution. Substitution. Time remaining 1 minute and 59 seconds. Number 17, Crib. Crib for 3, pass to Maglawas, wide open. Bang! Number 13, Maglawas, 3. That's a 10-point game. Sosa, front, malakas. Rebound, Bianca, pass to Crib. Green. As by down. It's down number 3, Bandar. Number 3, Bandar, first personal down. Running from penalty for the team Cinderella. Shot clock 14 seconds. Number 8, Bento. Bento. And the turnover. Sosa. Sosa, front. Malakas pa. And another rebound play, Grim. And by down to number 24, penalty. Number 24, first personal down. Penalty situation. It's a two shot by number 17, Grim. It's the first by number 17 Green. Official time, 1 minute, 14 seconds, first quarter. 4, 16, 6, Southside. Number 17 Green is home. And for his violation for Team Southside. Time remaining 1 minute and 10 seconds, first quarter. And another turnover for the Team Cinderella. Sancho. And another foul by number 28. Penalty situation. Number 28, first personal down. It's a good shot by number 68, Bento. Number 28, 42. Time remaining 1 minute. 55 seconds. Sosa. Sosa. Naipit. Wala pa rin. At sa rebound by Prim. At the basket to Bendo. Bendo. And score. 42 seconds. 14 seconds. Number 29 Sosa. Another turnover. Maglawak. Pampan. Pampan to Maglawak. Balik kay Pampan. Another 2 points. 13 seconds. Shot on the shot. De La Cruz. Inside pass. Reverse. Get out for 2. 10 seconds. Of the last 10 seconds. 5 seconds. 3. Of the last second. Sosa. Ating team opportunity. No basket. No basket. That's for the first quarter. 22-8. Second quarter score, 22-8 Southside.
Bola, bola!
And we start for the second quarter. And he's on play. And the steal by Pampan. Pampan is a 2-2. Pampan, spin, Pampan. And Manpano with a foul. Foul by number 24, Bruno. Number 24, Bruno, second personal foul. First team down. It's a good shot by number 8, Manpano. It's the first. Second attack by Manpano. It's the second. It's a 15-point lead for the team. Southside 23-8. Sosa, did he get a big? Sosa. Sosa balik, Sosa closer. And score by number 69, Sosa. And Felipe is down to 13, 23-10. Pampan. Inside pass. And steals. It's a fast break. Sosa. And the turnover getting the line. Number 62, Pampan. Pampan. That's to Mercado. Mercado for 3. This is shot. Shot block 14. Pampan. Shot block 10. Okay. Wala pa rin. That's a rebound play. De La Cruz, back to Sosa. 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 Take ball. Shot clock, 14 seconds. 14 seconds shoot. Time remaining 5 minutes. Sosa put it down. Inside pass. Probably. It's a turnover again for the Crimson. Top position. Timeout, Team Cinderella. Official score, 23-10. 23-10, Southside. That's the game, official score, 23-10. Southside, second quarter.
Dong!
Mercado, number 8, Mercado. Attack. De La Cruz. Mercado. Shot block 15. Geronimo for 2. Missed the shot. And the rebound by Mercado.
Ay, putang ina!
Number 2 turnover, steal by Geronimo. Geronimo to Mercado. At may sinabi ito, Mercado. Number 3, Ponzon, second personal foul. 17 foul, Cinderella. Good shot by number 2 9, Mercado. Mercado is the first by Mercado. Second attempt by Mercado. Mercado is the second. It's a 14-point lead for the team. Southside 24-10. Serrano binigyan ng break. Serrano. Double kick. Serrano. At by both team foul by number 09, Mercado. Number 09, Mercado. First personal foul. First team foul. Southside. Number 29, Southside. Southside. Shot clock extends. Southside. Shot clock. Time. Bruno. Shot clock. Southside. It's a new foul play. Mercado back on head kick. And score. Number 6 of Heather. Number 6 of Heather for Jill. That's a 16-point lead for the team. Southside 26-10. For Bruno. And De La Cruz for the rebound. Time remaining 3 minutes. De La Cruz. Shot down 15. De La Cruz. Turnover. Serrano. At the pass break. Salsa. At masyadong malakas ang pasa. Time remaining 2 minutes and 15 seconds. 7 quarters. Number 8, Mercado. Pass to Mercado. Mercado for three. Doesn't work. That's a rebound play. Serrano. That's a backing foul. Line up for 04, Geronimo. Number 04, Geronimo. First personal foul. Second team foul. Southside. It's the score. 26-10. Number 29, Southside. Binibigyan ng pick to Mark Lee. Pass to Bruno. Number 24, Bruno. Inside pass, Southside. Shot clock 15. So shot clock. Right on hit there. Outside foul. Number 29, Southside. Number 29, Southside. Second personal foul. 13 down. Cinderella. Substitution. Number 8, Mercado. Inside pass. De La Cruz. Drive. De La Cruz. And table. Shot clock 14 seconds. Substitution. Shot clock 14 seconds. 14 seconds to shoot. Geronimo for Susan. Napaganda po ang number 04, Geronimo. At 18 na kalabangan ng Southside, 28-10. De La Cruz. Serrano. Binigyan ng peko De La Cruz. Serrano. Mark Lee for three. It's the shot. De La Cruz. At the pass break. Mercado for 2 points. At 20 na kalabangan ng Southside, 30-10. Time remaining 1 minute and 35 seconds. Shot clock 14, Serrano. Geronimo, another pass break. Mercado for 82 points. One is from 17. transition. And the nice impulse play by Mercado Borges. At temptos na ang 32-10. At natako na sa 10 puntos ang team Cinderella. Nice team move, Mercado. At sumabit doon si number 6. Arjeta, number 6, Arjeta. First personal down. 13 down. That's a good shot by number 18, Bersano. Makes the first by number 18, Bersano. Second and third by Bersano. Leads the second. Rebound, Geronimo. Geronimo, drive. Unfortunate by number 04, Geronimo. Number 04, Geronimo, out for 3 minutes. Two shots at ball possession. Two shots by number 18, Bersano, plus ball possession. 14 penalty situation. That's a good shot by number 18, Bersano. It's the first by number 18, Bersano. Second attempt. It's the second ball possession, plus ball possession. Time remaining 1 minute, 6 seconds. Second quarter. Bishop score 32-12. 32-12. Southside. Lepas mereka kasih Sosa, Alonso, offensive rebound by Gondal. And 2 points by number 3, Gondal. 15 seconds. Prince. Nakita sa labas si Mercado. Number 8, Mercado. 3. Sosa. For 2 and 4. 25 seconds. 14 seconds. Shot clock, 15 seconds. 25 seconds. And Mercado. Then a close offensive rebound. Shot clock is gone. At sumapit doon si number 22, Serrano. Number 22, Serrano. 14 penalty situation. First shot by number 17, Prince. Number 17, Prince. Missed the first. Time remaining 14.4 seconds. 14.4. Shot clock 14 seconds. Prince. 10 seconds. Shot clock is off. De La Cruz. And for that second. That's the right for the second quarter score. 35-16. 35-16. Southside. Ready start for the second half. Third quarter score. 35-16. Southside. Third quarter. Number 3, Bendo. Inside pass. Road up, anak. Offensive rebound. De La Cruz. Wala pa rin. Bersano for rebound. Inside pass. Trudeau. Shot clock 15. Sosa. After De La Cruz. Shot clock. De La Cruz. And Delta for rebound. Number 17, Prince. Inside pass. De la Cruz. Balik Prince. Prince. And score by number 17, Prince. It's a 21-point lead for the team. Southside 27-16. Number 29, Sosa. Pass to Petilla. Inside pass. Bersano. Out from Abidjan to number 21, De La Cruz. Number 21, De La Cruz. First personal foul. First team foul. Southside. Good shot. Bersano makes the first. Number 18, Bersano. Second attempt, super 2 by Bersano. Score 37-18. Prince. Mercado for 3 by number 08, Penzo. 3 by number 08, Penzo. And the steal by Prince. Pass to Penzo. Penzo. Another 2 points. That's a 5-0 pass by number 08, Penzo. It's a 24-point lead, 42-18. Sosa. Another turnover. Prince. Pulling into 2 points and score. Lunod-una sa 26 ang kalaman ng Southside, 44-18. Gerardo. After Sosa. Shot out 14. Another turnover. De La Cruz. And the point two. De La Cruz. Look away pass. Penzo. Penzo spin and score. What a third quarter by Penzo. At 28 na ang kalamangan ng Southside. 46-18. Sosa. Spin. Sosa. At kumapit doon. That's a foul by number 25, Delta. Foul position. Number 25, Delta. First personal foul, second team foul. Sosa. Another turnover for the Vincent Herrera. Time remaining 4 minutes, 35 seconds. Third quarter. Number 17, Prince. Prince, tinataka Benzo. One more try, there's a shot. And Trudeau. Number 24, Trudeau. Siya naman ang pagkita ng Prince. Number 24, Trudeau. 3! Number 17, Prince, taking a pick. Another turnover, 2-1. Gerardo. Troubling. At nagkaroon pa ng turnover doon. Ang sila. Number 8, Penzo. Yorka, inside pass to De La Cruz. That's a turnover. That's a pass break. Sosa, pulling into 2 points. After reducing to Mabalik, and Team Cinderella by 23, 46-23. Prince. Top down 14, Prince. Trying to get Prince. Top by 10. Prince, inside pass. Good. That's a turnover. Number 29, Sosa, taking a take the shadow. Sosa, quick release. And Khalifa by Yorka. Yorka, pass to Penzo, nakawala, and score. What a game by number 28, Penzo. That's a 25-point lead, 48-23. Southside. Gerardo pick. Gerardo, pass to Sosa. Number 3. And De La Cruz for the rebound, for the pass break. Turnover. Time remaining 2 minutes. Substitution. 24 seconds. Time remaining 2 minutes and 24 seconds. Third quarter for the first game tonight of the senior division. Number 29, Sosa. Sosa passes Serrano. Bersano for 2 by number 18, Bersano. Dendo. Pass to Maglawa. That's a nice back shot by Bondas. Trudeau, pass to Sosa, nakita si Bersano again. At ubusin na nakabalik. 21-9. 48-27. Sosa, 15 seconds. Sosa is 10. Sosa caught. And another rebound play, Trudeau. In a boost to Bersano, another 2 points. 4 missed by Sosa. Bendo. Pass it down. That's a foul. Number 3, Bonzat. Number 3, Bonzat. Third personal foul. First team foul in the header. It's a bonus shot by number 8, Bendo. It's a complete 3-point play by Bendo. Time remaining 1 minute and 15 seconds. De La Cruz, quick release, Corsier. De La Cruz, look away pass, Bersano, Malagay. Bersano, one more point, basket down, like a foul. Number 13, Maglawa. That's a bonus shot by number 18, Bersano. That's a complete 3-point play by Bersano. 1 minute, time remaining, 1 minute. $55 seconds. Prince. Nakita sa labas. Pedro. 3 seconds violation. 49 seconds, time remaining, 49 seconds. 45 seconds. De La Cruz. Sosa. Shot clock is 15. Sosa. Malakas. Yoga for the rebound. And a nice steal by Bondas. 13 seconds. Bersano for 2. 25 seconds. 20 seconds. 15 seconds. Georgia. Play for play. 8.9 seconds. 8.9 seconds. Shot on stop. De La Cruz for the last 5 seconds. Through the Peter, 3-point shot by Trudeau. At 56 na lang, 51-35. 51-35, Southside. Please, Senior at his second game. Happy Death versus Chris Senior. For the fourth and final quarter. Final quarter score 51-35. 51-35. Southside. At the half of the bar, Cinderella by 16 points for the start for the final quarter. Number 24, Trudeau. Trudeau, after Bondas, Serrano. ng Cinderella, 14 na lang yan. Barkley, pass to Trudeau, one more try, yes! Timeout, Southside! Ano ko po, 11 na lang. 51-14 for the high of 24.
Talunin ko yung tropa ko. Puro tres ang tiro niyan. Dapat pala pamusta ko din na rin.
Well, back to the game. Napinisa nila ang inahabol ng Team Cinderella for the high of 24 on Cinderella, 51-14. Papan, pass to De La Cruz, inside back, and score! Pamatay Junior mula kay number 9, Mercado. It's a 13-point lead. Big ball, same ball. Drop down. Bruno, pass to Gerardo. Shot clock. Drop back is clear. It's a turnover. It's a pass break. Mercado. Geronimo Portillo. Ang binubuli naman sa 15 ang kalaman ng Southside, 55-14. It's a foul by number 62, Papan. Number 62, Papan, first personal foul. First team foul, Southside. Shot clock, 14 seconds. Then, another turnover, Papan. Inside pass, another 2-point by Mercado. Serrano. For 2-point by number 22, Serrano. Back to the 15, 57-42. Mercado, pass to Hernandez. Turnover. 5 remaining, 6 minutes, 10 seconds, final quarter. Bruno, pass to Bogdan, para kay Bruno. Serrado for 2, another 2-point. Tumaba ulit sa 13. Another turnover for the team Southside. Timeout, Cinderella. Cinderella, isa lang ang timeout niya. Yung Southside, dalawa ba? Official score, 57-44. 57-44, Southside. Game, time remaining 5 minutes, 54 seconds, final quarter. Official score, 57-44. At pagkakaroon ng Cinderella, papabay ng kalaman. Sosa, pass to Bogdan, nakita sa ilalim. De La Cruz, Sapa Cortines, the turnover. Geronimo, look pass to Mercado for 2 points. At balik sa 15, kalamangan ng Team Southside, 59-44. Sosa. Inside that, Serrano. Bersano for pass it down. That's a ball by Bersano. Number 09, Mercado. Number 09, Mercado, second personal foul. It's a good shot by number 18, Bersano. Bersano, it's a complete three-point play. At papasa 12 ang kalaman ng Team Southside, 59-47. Parpan. Mercado balik kay Parpan. Mercado, number 8, Mercado, 3! 5 minutes, final quarter. Shot. And by pushing down, number 62, Parpan, second personal foul, second team foul. Number 28, De La Cruz. Shot clock instead, De La Cruz. Shot clock. 5 seconds. Sosa. At by foul, Sumabi Tony. Number 62, third personal foul, 13 foul. Shot clock, 14 seconds. Bogdan. De La Cruz, nice pass to Cerrado. And Salido down to 13, 62, 49. Shot clock, 15 seconds. Parpan. Mercado, one more try. Another offensive rebound, Bersano. Pass to Sosa. Another quick two. At nabilis na lang, 62, 51. Hernandez. Pass to Parpan break. Shot at 14. Parpan. Hernandez. Wala. At patakataon ng Cinderella. Pababain ng kalamangan. De La Cruz. Nakita si Parpan. Bonsai. There we go. Shot clock, 15 seconds. Shot clock is 10. Hernandez, balik kay Parpan. Shot clock. Mercado. Opposition. Opposition, time remaining 3 minutes and 25 seconds. Matagal pa yan, nabilisan na niya. Number 29, Sosa. Stop that 15. Bruno.
Bitin.
Hernandez.
Oy!
Hernandez. At a foul.
Nadali to the trap ka.
By number 29. Third personal foul. Number 29, Sosa, third personal foul. First Steve Park, time remaining 3 minutes and 2 seconds. And Hernandez for 2 points. It's a 13-point lead. De La Cruz, inside pass. Senado, offensive rebound, Bondal, confused by Bondal. Attacking 11 points. It's 11-point game. Shot clock is 15. Shot clock is 10. Parpan. Hernandez offensive rebound. And again 14. Shot clock 10. Wala pa rin. And Bersano pa rin down. Bondal. Pass to Cerrado. Score. At siyam na lang. That's a 9-point game. 64, 55. 55. Shot clock. Shot clock is 5. That's a foul. By number 22, Cerrado. That's a good shot by number 17, Prim. Prim makes the first by number 17, Prim. Second attempt by Prim. Timeout, Cinderella.
2 minutes na lang yata.
It's a score. Cinderella, wala lang yung timeout ha, wala lang yung timeout.
Ewan ko.
65, 1 minute and 45 seconds. Shot clock 14 seconds. Time remaining 1 minute and 45 seconds. It's a 10-point game for the team Southside, 65-55. Sosa. Sosa stand, taking a big. Sosa. Cerrado for 2. At wala lang yan. 65-57. Prim. Shot clock 15 seconds. Prim. Binigyan ng big. Shot clock is 10. Parpan. Bang! Number 62, Parpan. 3. Ang malaking 3-point shot nyo para kay Parpan. Another turnover. Pesano. Is it that for good?
Oh!
Pesano offensive rebound. Bruno. Wala pa rin. 55 seconds. Maglawak to Hernandez. Hernandez for 2. 45 seconds. 14 seconds. 35 seconds. Shot clock is 10. That's a 2-point by Seth. That's a 12-point game. 7-1, 59. 15 seconds. 25 seconds. Shot clock 15. 20 seconds. Shot clock is 10. 16 seconds. Shot clock is off. 10 seconds. Another 2-point by Sosa. 7 seconds. Time remaining. 7 seconds. 5 seconds. For the last shot.
Bigat pa yun.
And well for the final score, 73-61, Southside. 73-61.
Sunod sila kagod.